If you like crocheting, if you like knitting, if you like catching bugs in a ditch, and you're 48 years old, you'll be addicted to happiness.
I think we're fine, man.
So, Saturday, it's race day. We got the car back together last night, tested it this morning, got it up to temp, seems good, runs pretty good. We had a little brake issue, but it was just low on fluid, and so we filled it back up and it seemed to work. I can't seem to find any leaks or anything like that, so we're gonna send her. So it was just in the fronts where it wasn't working too good. So we're just getting ready to leave right now. It's 4:30, so we should be, should show up at a decent time. Hopefully, maybe, kind of. First race of June. We got our fresh motor. Just kind of getting set up here. Tyson's not here tonight. We're doing this again by ourselves, so hopefully I don't fuck it up. So we prepped some tires this morning at the shop. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. It's been awesome to see the amount of subscriptions and stuff going up, numbers and stuff going up. It's a really good feeling. There's some exciting stuff coming down the pipeline that I can't share yet, but we're getting there. Good then? Nobody says we're good.
It was once leaking, and now it's not.
Perfect. Things were broken and wrong, and I came in and made them better. Alright, so we're just getting lined up. Well, I'm just getting ready to go for heat one. So, yeah, that's the plan. We are going out heat one on the pole. Car feels good, so let's see what she'll do. That's no good. She's hot again. This isn't looking good. Uh-oh. Can we get a push? Somebody.
The hose the same way?
Positive on the...
This is positive on this.
Yeah, so it's backwards.
Are the cables reached? They look like they're long, no?
They look like they
that
should.
one isn't.
Pays to have a little guy.
I don't do this just for everyone.
Apparently I missed the draw because we were busy messing around with the car. Oh, yeah. Because I was busy messing around with the car. But I don't know, we drew first apparently. So I don't know if Louis drew for us, which should be mint. I don't really care who draws for us, but yeah, so we changed the battery. Toby changed the battery. We're getting a little bit better voltage now. We're just trying to seal up for this gap between the red and the thing, because the car is still getting very hot. So I don't know why, but it is. And we're sweating a little bit of oil, so it's yeah. But we're gonna kind of take it as she goes, and it is what it is. So not expecting a lot of motor, but something.
Ah, man. That's some heavy shit, man. Hey, man. Am I driving okay? I think we're parked, man. Oh, shit.
Now she popped. Yeah. Well, there's a lot of oil everywhere, but...
Oh, I found it! It's still sizzling in there.
Yeah, there it is.
Fucking bubbling in there.
Bing bong. It's just like a 2.5 inch hole. That's the extra exhaust port. All right, we are back at the shop. The car is, well, it's not unloaded. It's on the trailer. As you can see, I've pulled the plug wires. There's a nice big hole there. That means this week we're gonna be pulling another motor, putting another motor in there. The car was handling very nicely when it did have power. The first bit of the feature or the first bit of the heat and hot laps, it was actually like, it was a rocket ship. Felt really nice. Didn't help us in the long run, but you know, it is what it is. So we'll be getting a new motor together here to keep us running. Yeah, so make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know, maybe we're doing something wrong. Maybe there's something I should check that I haven't checked. Yeah, I don't know. Give me some pointers. Like I said before, all the subscriptions and views and stuff like that. It's been really nice to see. Tyson's been putting a lot of hard work in behind on the editing side. So it's really nice to see. We appreciate all the everything. See you guys next time. Go support your local dirt track. It's fun.